अभी हम कौन सी एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, कौन कर रहा है, द सिंगुलर वन इज करिंग, सिंगुलर वन is doing or the plural one is doing, that to be is referring. Okay, so please don't get confused that ma'am has written to be plus verb plus ing, so we just have to write this word. No, you are not going to write to be verb. You have to write the action, or the action is done by whom, that you have to write with verb by adding ing. Okay, again I will repeat, the action done by whom, that you have to write in place of to be with verb, and you have to add ing to the this present continuous tense one. Okay, I'll explain you the example, then you'll understand what I mean to say. But I will again say that please write it down, this formula. It is very important and it will going to help you in the longer term as well. I was saying that I am walking late. Okay, here the activity is happening what? Walking. Okay, so I was talking about to be part. So to be role is what? Am. ओके, ये टू बी की जगह पे जो मैंने आपको बोला, ये टू बी का जो रोल यूज है वो है एम. द एक्शन इज डन बाय होम, आई एम, मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो द टू बी प्लस वर्ब प्लस ing. ओके, टू बी इज एम, verb is walking. Okay, and I said you have to add what? ing. So here the ing is there. So all these three things has come over here. Am I clear? Again, one more sentence. She is walking to school. Means she is walking, मतलब वो स्कूल चल के जा रही है. Okay, तो वो चल के जा रही है, that is the present continuous tense. सेंटेंस से आपको समझ में आ गया कि ये प्रेजेंट में चल के जा रही है, बराबर. बट हाउ टू फॉर्म टू बी में इज टू बी, मतलब वो कर रही है. ओके, सो इज कर रही है. क्या कर रही है? वॉकिंग. ओके, सो दैट इज, हम जब क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और जब हमें आंसर मिलता है, दैट इज अवर वर्ब. ओके, दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न इन अवर प्रीवियस चैप्टर. So walking is your verb and using ing for the present continuous tense because it is happening right now. So to be plus verb plus ing. So this is the rule which I have told you. Okay. Again, these two I have explained you in singular form. Now the third sentence which I am going to read, that is a plural noun. We are singing a song. It means more than one person we are talking. We means more than one. Here I alone, she alone. Here we are talking about more than one person, so it is a plural form. But obvious, that is also we have learned in our previous chapter. So here what activity is happening? हम सब गाना गा रहे हैं. Means हम अभी सब गाना गा रहे हैं. So सेंटेंस से हमें पता चल गया that the sentence is talking about the action which is happening or it is going right now. So this sentence correct present continuous tense. Then the rule which I have told you, to be plus verb plus ing, that is are. Are is to be, that हम अब भी कर रहे हैं. Singing, again verb, it is showing our activity, and ing over here. So again the same, to be plus verb plus ing. I hope you have understood with this first rule how to form the present continuous tense. Okay, so this is the basic rule I have told you. But in grammar I have always told you that make sure whenever, whichever subject or chapter you are taking, always keep vowel and consonant word in your mind, because the vowel and consonant words or alphabet will going to tell you that what time right thing you have to write or you have to add. Because some place we use s, some place we double the verb, some place we just add only such kind of word that ing. So that always going to help you when you will keep the vowel alphabet and consonant alphabet in your mind. So this is the basic sentence and basic rule I have told you. But the same given point of time you have to keep remember that if any word which is ending with vowel, okay, which is ending with a vowel, the verb which is ending with a vowel, okay, then in that case you will use ing, okay, you are going to use ing, no doubt, that is there. But I will say that a consonant, I haven't written over here, I will write it, I'll just write this and I'll write it over here. When you are talking about vowel, the vowel should be end, the verb should be end with a vowel and you have to add ing. But when in the case of consonant, when you talk about consonant verb ending, okay, the verb which ends with the consonant word, in that case you just have to double up the verb, means I'll read. Okay, I'll highlight the thing. It means when any verb which ends with consonant means A, E, I, O, U is vowel. Apart from that, all are the consonant alphabet. Okay, so अगर कोई भी consonant word आपका complete हो जाता है, okay, so मैं आपको बता दूँ, sit, then run, ये सारे वर्ड है जो हमारा ऐड होता है कॉन्सोनेंट से. ओके, सो इन दैट केस व्हाट यू विल डू, देन वन मोर गेट. ओके, आई विल रब दिस वन. Will be I am sitting outside. क्या हुआ इसमें, मैंने क्या किया, मैंने डबल कर दिया कॉन्सोनेंट को. जो हमारा ये लास्ट अल्फाबेट है वो डबल हो जाता है. सो यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, ये तो हमारा टू बी कंटिन्यू ही रहेगा. टू बी तो ये हमारा कंटिन्यू है, वर्ब भी है और हमारा ये आईएनजी भी है. मैंने आपको बताया ना, टू बी प्लस वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी. दिस आई हैव टोल्ड यू. So this rule, it is applicable. You cannot remove this rule from anywhere when you talk about present continuous tense. This rule will going to be there automatically. Whether you are forming a negative sentence in present continuous, whether you are when you are forming the question, when you are forming yes or no question, the rule going to be remain the same. Only the changes will be the situation or the vowel or the consonant situation. Basically the situation when I say, it will be depend on the vowel situation or it will be a consonant situation. Okay, so here the rule we have used to be verb and ing, but what we have done, because it's a consonant situation means the verb which is ending with a consonant. Okay, so we have just double it off. What I have written, sitting, double T-I-N-G. I have doubled it off. If I say run, then I will use running. I am going to use running. double N I N G. double N I N G, running, getting. तो कोई भी चीज होगी वो कॉन्सोनेंट आपका लास्ट में डबल होके ing ऐड होगा. ओके, विथ दिस थिंग, this is my first part of this chapter. Tomorrow I will going to upload a part 2 with the continue part. With this video I am going to share a compo today which you have to write in compo book, and make sure you finish your compo book and send me the photograph. Okay, thank you.